Man, I gotta keep it real. Audacity, in my opinion, really does suck. Alright, it really does suck. Check this out. So I added and installed this OpenVINO, and guess what? None of this goddamn shit works. None. You click on apply, you get this stupid goddamn message, music separation failed, see details in help, diagnostics, show log. So okay, so you do what they say. So you go to help, click on diagnostics, show log, and you get this fucking message. Like, what the fuck am I supposed to do with this stupid goddamn error code message? I'm not a tech guy. I'm not a computer guy. I'm not one of those techie guys. What am I supposed to do with this goddamn shit? It doesn't tell us what to do. It doesn't tell us how to fix it. So it's like fucking useless. Like, what am I supposed to do? What am I going to do? What am I supposed to do with this stupid goddamn thing? I can either save it, clear it, or close.